It asks you what's the side length of an equilateral triangle that has an area of 9 square feet. So if I sketch my equilateral triangle, I know that my area is going to be 1/2 base times height, and I know that that needs to equal 9. I don't know what my base and height are, but I can express them in terms of one variable. So when I draw in, if I have this equilateral triangle here, and I draw in my altitude, that altitude is going to cut my base into these two 30, 60, 90 triangles. And so what I'm going to use here as a label for my sides is I'm going to use the label opposite 30 degrees as x. Gives me a hypotenuse of 2x, and my altitude is going to be x root 3. So it's just the generic patterns for a 30, 60, 90. And the reason for that is now when I plug this in, my whole base is the length 2x. My altitude or height is the length x root 3, and I can solve my equation here. So the half and the 2 cancel. I get x squared root 3 equals 9. And so if I'm solving for x, my side or if I'm solving for the x value here, I can divide by root 3 and then extract my total square root. And so because the answers tend to be in the field, if the field is a calculated field, meaning you have the little preview button, if you do this calculation for x, you can plug it directly into the answer field. But the key to this is our side length isn't just x, it's this whole value 2x. So what I would do is take 2 times root 9 over root 3, or if I'm writing this here, my side length is going to be, and I can do the calculation here, 2 times the square root of 9 over the square root of 3, close off the parentheses for the inner square root, close off the parentheses for the outer square root. Oops, I want it to be in decimal form, and so I get my answer 4.56 approximately. The units are feet. Side length is a one-dimensional measurement, and so that would be my solution.